Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. I am putting a niche box in a tub surround area and want to show you how to do that. So let's take a look at some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. Well, what I've done is I have taken this niche box, and this is a foam, and it's coated with a waterproof coating on the outside here. I just took my saw and cut the opening so that this is would recess in my stud area. And what I need to do now is I need to take and waterproof this area. And so what I've gotten here is I put some thin set underneath, and then I've taken a piece of this Kerdi membrane, and this is actually this type. It is not the Kerdi strip for sealing seams. These are the same materials, so I can use this to go around my niche box. So let me set up a camera here and I'll show you how I do this. So what we've got is I've got a piece of film that I'm going to put on the bottom here, and what I'll do is just see where it's going to go. It's going to go from about here over to this area, and so I'll take some thin set and put it on my notch trowel. And what I'll do from here is I'll take it and just put it on. And first thing I want to do is I want to get good coverage so that I can go back afterwards and put in the V-grooves, so that I have the right amount of thin set underneath the Kerdi membrane. Alright, so put a lot more than I need. Then I'll come back with my V-notch trowel. And because I only have a 1-inch border around here, I want to make sure I get my thin set all the way up to the top. So I'm going to just go ahead back. There we go. Alright, so that's a nice uniform coating. We'll take our piece, and I like to put the curl edge against the wall. And I'm going to line this right up to the edge of this niche box. Take a spackle blade, and I'm going to hold it in the middle here. And I'm going to work my way out both directions. Okay, now I can either go like this, or I could take and use this and use the edge to push it along. And I'm just going to work my way, and you can see there's going to be a bunch of thin set coming out the edge here, and that's how I know that I have it nice and flat and uniform underneath. And so I'm going to go the other direction. Kind of work it through. Okay, again I got a nice bead of thin set. Alright, right off the inside here. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to do the sides. Same procedure. Get thin set here, put it on my trowel. Now I can use my V-notch trowel, and I've got notches on two sides and I've got straight edge on two sides. When I put it on the wall, I want to first get it on using the straight side, and so I'll just go ahead and use this. It doesn't matter how you get it up on the wall, it's just a matter of making sure that you get good coverage. Okay, and I want to overlap at least 2 inches, and so that way we ensure that we have a good waterproof seal. Okay, so now my notches are on this side. Come back up, and let me show you something here. In this spot right here, you can see it has a different looking set of grooves. That means that there's not enough thin set there, so I need to put more on And then when I come up with my grooves here, okay, so now I've got good coverage. Okay, I've got a little bit down here I got to do, so we'll just get back to it. Make sure that we have a nice uniform set of grooves all the way up. Okay, once I have that, then I can take my piece of film, and again I want to line up my edge right to the edge of my niche box. Okay. Alright. Again, I'm going to hold this here and I'm going to work it up. And let's back this up so you can see it. Okay, so we're going to start here, hold it, press fairly hard. Now when I come to this edge here where this one is going in, I want to be careful not to lift it up. So I'm going to kind of go over this way and then work it around. Alright, once I go that direction, I can go down. Alright, and then again, it's just a matter of cleaning up the edges so that when I start doing my tiling, I don't have gobs of stuff on the side. So that's the process that we use for putting up the Kerdi membrane, and same process that we use when we put it up on the wall. So I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel, and if there's some things you'd like me to show you how to do, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.